Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on night light on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on night light on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Click on System. And now click on Display. And here you will find an option night light. Click here to turn it on. Now night light is enabled on your computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.